This is a high wind warning for the following counties in West Virginia: Boone, Clay, Jackson, Kanawha, Lincoln, Northwest Fayette, Northwest Nicholas, Northwest Raleigh, Putnam, and Roane. Issued at 1:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. High wind warning in effect from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. What? Southwest wind 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of Southwest Virginia and Central, Northeast, Northern, Southeast, and Southern West Virginia. When? From 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: while winds will remain strong through the entire period of the warning, the highest winds are expected from late Saturday morning until early Saturday afternoon. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.